What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. A few days ago I attended the opening of Xiaomi in Hungary, and at the opening I was able to lay my hands on a couple of devices, and few of the devices I laid my hand on was the Xiaomi A2 and A2 Lite. And in this video I'm going to be talking about the key features, the price, and if it's worth your money or not. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button below and also like this video and share it with your friends. Now let's get to it. The Xiaomi Mi A2 has an aluminum body build and weighs 166 grams. The Mi A2 has a 5.9 inches 18:9 aspect ratio display with a resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels. The Mi A2 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with Cairo 260 Octa-core processor and Adreno 512 GPU. It comes in a 128GB 6GB RAM or 32 64GB 4GB RAM variant. It has a dual camera of 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel and shoots 4K at 30 frames per second. It has a 20 megapixel front-facing selfie camera with flash, and it comes with a 3000 mAh battery. And to be honest, I think this is the only downside of this budget smartphone. The Mi A2 starts at a price of 220 euros. The A2 Lite, on the other hand, looks totally different as it follows the 2018 trend of having a notch. The Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite has a 5.8 inches display, which is a 19:9 aspect ratio. The Mi A2 also runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and is also powered by Android One. It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 with the Octa-core processor and Adreno 506 GPU. It comes in a 64GB 4GB RAM or 32 3GB RAM variant. It has dual cameras of 12MP plus 5MP and only shoots 10K at 30 frames per second. It has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera with flash. The Mi A2 Lite comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which makes it a good choice for the price of 200 euros. I was able to have a couple of minutes with the phone, and I think it's a pretty decent smartphone for the price range. I'm hoping to get it for some intensive tests and full review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time, I am Mastercard.